Okay, well today is going to be put on the shitty winter tire day. Take off the nice chrome wheels. Just covering them with a quick coat of paint so they don't look so shitty. I don't drive the truck in the winter anyways, but I might get an opportunity or two to take it out for a spin, so the least I can do is spray something on it. I used this on my wiper arms, and it looks pretty good. It covers nice, so just spray them real fast and be done with it. Well, you can probably see I got two of them on. Let's see if I can get the jack. There we go. Now I got the little baby wheels on it, so it'll be all set to sit in the driveway and chill for the winter. I even went and put the black caps on the lug nuts just because I didn't want to throw them in the box with all the other lug nuts. There ain't much ground clearance now, and these tires are really narrow. Oops, sorry. Let's see if I can find the tire size on it. Without a flashlight, this will be difficult. 185, 75, 14s. Compared to a 235, 45, 18.